Welcome to our Action Camera Showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison between the AKASO EK7000 and the GoPro HERO13 Black. The AKASO EK7000 is an entry-level action camera that offers impressive features for its price, while the GoPro HERO13 Black is a professional-grade camera packed with advanced technology. We'll explore key areas such as price, video resolution, and stabilization to help you decide which camera is right for you. Let's get started. When it comes to price, the AKASO EK7000 is a budget-friendly option at just $79, making it accessible for beginners and casual users. In contrast, the GoPro HERO13 Black comes with a premium price tag of $499, reflecting its advanced features and professional capabilities. This significant price difference highlights the target audience for each camera, with the AKASO appealing to those seeking value, and the GoPro catering to serious content creators. In terms of video resolution, the AKASO EK7000 supports 4K video at 30 frames per second, which is impressive for its price range. However, the GoPro HERO13 Black takes it a step further, with a maximum resolution of 5.3K, providing exceptional detail and flexibility for professional-grade footage. This higher resolution allows for more creative editing options, making the GoPro a superior choice for serious videographers. Stabilization is crucial for action cameras, and here we see a stark contrast. The AKASO EK7000 features basic electronic image stabilization, which is functional but not very effective for fast-paced activities. On the other hand, the GoPro HERO13 Black boasts advanced hyper-smooth stabilization technology, ensuring smooth and professional-looking footage even in the most dynamic situations. This difference can significantly impact the quality of your videos, especially for action sports. In conclusion, the choice between the AKASO EK7000 and the GoPro HERO13 Black ultimately comes down to your needs and budget. If you're looking for an affordable, entry-level camera for casual use, the AKASO EK7000 is a fantastic option. However, if you require top-tier performance and versatility for professional content creation, the GoPro HERO13 Black is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and